ॐ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। Shri Ma Durga Navaratris are the celebrations of 9 days in homage to our Shakti Swarupini Kali Ma. Dear citizens and my dear champs, since our childhood we were been celebrating Ma Durga Navaratris and Dashera, the 10th day of Navaratri. But have you all ever tried to understand the importance of each and every day of Navaratri and Ma Durga's avatar and the sar behind her avatar? Our ancient culture unanimously portrayed and compared Adishakti and her avatars with Indian women, and they always treated the Indian women as Ma Swarupini, and they shared their lives in the protection of her. To them, Stri is not only Adishakti, but they treasured her as the most precious wealth of their lives. But as time passed, the domination by males and discrimination between the genders in the society took its peak, which made the feminine as the speck of dust, and the tears became her ornaments, which drenched her the whole life. Eventually, the change again took birth in the society, and this time, educational boom rescued the feminine and gave the strength to lead her the confident life. Champs, today in this video, I would like to enlighten you all on Ma Durga Navaswarup and the charms behind her avatars which correlate to feminine. My dear queens of India, I want you all to focus on these. Ma Durga's first day avatar was as Bala Tripura Sundari Devi, which symbolizes the beauty of a woman, her charm. If you observe in any house without a baby girl, it is like a house with no spark of beauty. Hence, champs, women to this Srishti is like a garland of happiness and beauty. On the second day, Ma Durga took the Rajarajeshwari avatar, which personifies that Ma Durga is the true ruler of this Samast Srishti. With this avatar, Ma Durga wants to emphasize that woman is the true take care of her house, because her heart is as vast as ocean, with full of love for her parents, siblings, for her husband, children, and for her husband's family. Hence, any family can be happy only when she takes the responsibility of the family caring. On the third day, Ma Durga took the avatar of Gayatri Devi, which symbolizes that Stri is the embodiment of Lakshmi, Saraswati, and Durga. Champs, a woman is pioneer in bringing the family's prosperity, knowledge, and dareness to lead the life most successfully. On the fourth day, Ma Durga wore the Annapurna Devi avatar. Champs, as we all know, only women as a wife, as a mother, knows the hungry stomach of her family and her children. And she is the one who spends her whole life in feeding her family with utmost love. And she finds the happiness of her whole life in this never-ending process. On the fifth day, Ma Durga took the Lakshmi Swarupini avatar to symbolize that in this whole universe, a woman is the only one who can bring the prosperity and wealth in a home. Dear champs, a home and its members can be happy and prosper where a stree, a ma, a wife is happy. That house will turn into the place of heaven. Hence, champs, in your lifespan, never make any women to cry because that can ruin your life and your career. On the sixth day, Ma Durga worn the Saraswati Devi avatar, means the goddesses of knowledge, Jnana. Champs, we all know that a family can run in a right path only with the stree of that family. It can be a daughter, a mother, a wife, because only it's in the hands of her. The children, family members can get molded into a well-disciplined manner. And mother is the first tutor of any child. She is the guide to her children to make them know the difference between right and wrong in the life. On the seventh day, Ma Durga wore the avatar of Shakti, which symbolizes a woman is also as strong as man. Champs, maybe you think that a woman physically very sensitive, like flower, but when it comes to her inner strength, she is more stronger than this universe. Her heart is tender, but her thoughts, guts, and courage are stronger than any mountain. She has the power to intake any problems and sufferings for her family's sake, and she will stand like a rock to any damn challenges once she gets committed into any relation. On eighth day, Ma Durga wore in the avatar of Mahakali to symbolize to this whole world that a woman have the strength to bear all the responsibilities, challenges and sufferings till she is being treated with respect in the family. And if it turns on the other side, if she is being treated in ill manner or being harassed, then she has the power to encroach from those who stamps her with her Raudra avatar of Mahakali. And last, on ninth day of Navaratri, Ma Durga incarnated herself into Mahishasura-Mardini. Champs, we all were been listening the story of Mahishasura since our childhood. Mahishasura was the Danav king of Asura, who after ardent tapasya got Var Prasad from Brahmadev for Amaratva. But champs, no one on this earth are eternal. Even he got the caution that he can be get killed only in the hands of women, which he took in a negligence way, because to him there is no value to a woman. But when Mahaparvati became Adi Shakti and stood in front of him to somehow he became breathless, speechless, and pleaded her for forgiveness. But champs, when any woman is like a river, she is full of love for her family, children. Her tides are like a cool breeze, like Shanti Swarup. And when anyone haunts her self-respect or her man, then she takes the violent rupa of cyclone and destroys with no inch of pityness. That is a woman. Hence, champs, treasure her, respect her, adore her, but never harass her, because her tears have that power to destroy you. And champs, do always remember that great wars of Ramayana, Mahabharata. Mark this universal truth: if any woman is being harassed, then they will end like Ravan, Kichak, like Kauravas. And to all my dear queens of India, always remember that you have the powers and responsibilities as a daughter, as a sister, wife, as a mother, and you are the pride of your family. Whenever you go, you take the pride of the respect of that family as your crown. Never let your crown fall. Don't get infatuated to outer glitz of this modern fashionable world, because you are the man samman of your family. Always think about your family and dear ones whenever you take a leap, a step in your life in the form of decisions. And my dear Shernis, be strong, be courageous, and be like well-cultured Indian women, because you are the true symbol of Adi Shakti avatar to this whole world from our Pavitra Bharat. And my dear queens of India, it's my plea, never let to feel Bharat Ma ashamed with your acts in the form of ill-mannered dressing, because this is the main issue of many irrevocable problems. My dear queens, you are the embodiment of Bharat Ma and Shakti Swarupini Durga Ma. Always hail your Indian culture values high, because only you can take this great responsibility in a never-ending phase in the form of preaching to your younger ones, to your children. And this legacy of our Indian culture must continue forever and ever. With this, thanking you all, and with utmost respect and love to my Bharat Ma, Hey Bharat Ma, Vande Mataram, and to the mother of this whole creation, Hey Jagat Janini, Ambe Mat Ki Jai, Jai Mata Di.